Hello everyone, how are you? I hope all are fine. Today I will show you how to create an account on Fiverr and how to set up the account. Watch the whole video till the end because today's class is very important. So, our next two classes will be about Fiverr, since Fiverr is a little easier than Upwork for freelancing. So that's why today I will show you how to create account on Fiverr. After creating an account, I will show you how to upload gig and how they can get work by marketing with gig. We will see all of them in the next two classes because it is not possible to explain everything in one class. So today I will show you how to create an account and what information to create an account with and some more tips about it to make your account a professional way. In the next class, we'll look at how to create a gig and how to create a complete package with the information you need to put together a complete package. Basically, there are many types of marketplaces for those who do graphic design work, but among them, Fiverr and Upwork is more popular, and there are also some other marketplaces like freelancers.com, 99 Designs, Dribble, and Behance. You can also get work from Behance and Dribble Shot and 99 Designs. You can earn by bidding. Another thing you need to keep in mind is the design you are good at. You can advance your future career only with that design. If you think you are good at logo design, or you are good at business card design, or you are good at flyer design, then you can only go for that design which you are good at. And if you think you are good at all our graphic design field and category is huge, so you select all of them may be good, or if you think that you can proceed with only those categories, so you will go ahead with it. You have to find out from within yourself which design works best for you, or which design you feel very good and feel comfortable with, or which design gives you more idea generate. What I was saying is, what exactly is the marketplace, or why do we work in the marketplace, or how much work do graphic designers actually get in the marketplace. So marketplace is a place where you can show your best work and get new work through that work. Behance account is very important as a portfolio for graphic designers. So today I will also show you how to create an account here and what information you need to provide, because a graphic designer must have a Behance account as a portfolio. Another very important thing you need to know about Fiverr is that you can create a Fiverr account with one Gmail account and you can run it from one device to one account. You must keep in mind, although you can have one or more Gmail Fiverr accounts, you can only run one Fiverr account per device. So one device you can run one Fiverr account because the IP of your device remains with the Fiverr company. So if you think that you can create account with multiple Gmail and run it from the same device, then it is completely wrong. For that, you can read this link carefully and see what terms is given here. Before opening a marketplace account, you should have proper knowledge about that marketplace. Also, by reading these conditions, you will also know where you can actually work, what you should not do, or how you should do it. So now we move on to how to create an account on Fiverr. To create an account, you must enter fiverr.com. After typing fiverr.com, you will see the interface where you can see above it says join Fiverr, followed by continue with Facebook, continue with Google, and continue with Apple. So if you want, you can log in with Facebook, or if you want, you can also log in with Google or Gmail. I will suggest you that you must log in with Gmail, then it will be professional. So instead of continuing with Google, I have shown you by manually typing here. You can manually log in with an email address or create an account. Here I continue after typing, and those who have already account can see the option below already member, then they can log in by clicking on sign in only. Then it appears here you have to provide a username and a password. You can give this username with your first name, or you can shorten it, or you can give it something unique with 2 or 3 letters of your name, or you can use any number with your name or without number. After creating the name, you can add it here. There are some conditions for entering the password. The conditions are that the password must be more than 8 characters longer, and with combined upper and lowercase letters and numbers. Uppercase and lowercase means capital letter and small letter. So in this way, you can set a password and put the password here, or there is a site called password generator. From there you can download and use the password if you want. After giving username and password, I click on continue button, and after clicking continue button, I see above here go to Gmail account. I have to go to Gmail and activate the account by opening the mail that has been sent to Gmail from Fiverr. By going to the mail inbox, I open the Fiverr mail and activate it, and now I can directly log in to the Fiverr account. After login, we can see an interface like this. On the left side of this interface, I can see the username I have given, and below I can see some gigs by other people. But from here, we'll go directly to our profile. After clicking on the profile, you will see an interface where you can see some information on the left side with an option to add a picture, and on the right side active gigs is showing. Here you have to give a close-up image of your smiling face so that buyer can see how friendly you are by looking at your picture. Then update here with a tagline. Then here is the description. You will prepare a description very nicely and then add it here. After that, there is the language. If you want, you can add one or more languages and you can add the level of the language. Then from the following like accounts from here, you will add your Facebook Dribble accounts to all social media. Google is already connected. If you do not have an account in this, then create an account first and link up in this. If you face any problem while creating an account, or if you want to create a very organized professional account, then you can explore a few accounts before creating an account. Open a few accounts of people who have worked a lot of in Fiverr and look at the descriptions and profile layouts, and you can get an idea and set up your account accordingly. So now we are going to how to create a Behance account. Before creating a Behance account, you need to enter behance.net. Then an interface will open like this. After opening here, on the left side, you can enter the name, give a picture and your position. Then go to share your work and click on the project and upload your images or designs that you want to upload here with the title and which tools are using or which software are using with some details. So today's class, so far in the next class we'll see how to create a gig and how to upload it. Until then, everyone will be fine. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe now and click on the bell button on the side to be the first to watch our videos. Thank you.